Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to dive into the fascinating world of science and explore its various branches. Now I know science can sometimes seem intimidating, but trust me, it's way more fun than you think. First up, we have physics. Physics is all about understanding the fundamental laws that govern the universe. It covers everything from the tiniest particles to the vastness of space. Think of it as the science of how things work and interact with each other. Next, let's talk about chemistry. Chemistry is all about the study of matter and its properties. It helps us understand the composition of substances and how they can change through reactions. From the periodic table to chemical equations, chemistry explains why things behave the way they do. Moving on to biology, which is all about life. Biology explores everything from microscopic organisms to complex ecosystems. It helps us understand how living organisms function, evolve, and interact with their environment. From cells to genetics, biology uncovers the secrets of life itself. Now let's venture into the world of geology. Geology is the study of Earth's structure, rocks, and minerals. It helps us understand how our planet has evolved over millions of years. From earthquakes to volcanoes, geology unravels the mysteries hidden beneath our feet. Next up is astronomy. Astronomy is all about studying celestial objects like stars, planets, and galaxies. It helps us understand our place in the universe and how it all began. From telescopes to space probes, astronomy takes us on an incredible journey through space and time. Lastly, we have psychology. Psychology is the study of the human mind and behavior. It helps us understand why we think, feel, and act the way we do. From cognitive processes to mental disorders, psychology gives us insights into what makes us tick. So there you have it, a brief overview of some major branches of science. Each branch has its own unique wonders and mysteries waiting to be discovered. Science truly is an incredible journey of exploration and understanding. I hope this video has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to explore the world of science further. Remember, science is for everyone, regardless of age or background. So go out there, ask questions, and let your inner scientist shine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay curious.